Projects do not simply appear out of thin air or by random chance. Every project, regardless of its size or complexity, should be initiated for a specific, justifiable reason. This reason is almost always tied to delivering value or solving a problem for an organization. Understanding this foundational principle is crucial for any aspiring project manager. This underlying justification is formally captured in a document known as the business case. The business case is a foundational document that provides the necessary information from a business perspective to determine if a project is worth the required investment. It describes the problem or opportunity and the recommended solution. Think of the business case as the why behind the project. It outlines the needs of the business, analyzes various options to address those needs, and recommends a preferred solution. It also includes a high-level financial analysis, examining potential costs versus expected benefits, and considers any significant risks. This document helps decision-makers, such as a sponsor or a project management office, to approve or reject a project. The business case is created before the project formally begins. It serves as a critical input to the project charter, which is the document that formally authorizes the project. While the project charter gives the project manager authority, the business case is strategic justification for undertaking the work in the first place. This is an important distinction to remember for your Certified Associate in Project Management exam. Complementing the business case is another vital document called the Benefits Management Plan. While the business case explains why a project should be started, the Benefits Management Plan describes how and when the benefits of the project will be delivered. It outlines the processes for creating, maximizing, and sustaining the benefits the project is expected to generate. The Benefits Management Plan is developed early in the project life cycle, often in conjunction with or soon after the business case. It details the target benefits, both tangible and intangible, and aligns them with the organization's strategic objectives. For example, a project to implement new software might have a business case justifying the software purchase and a benefits management plan detailing how to achieve the benefits of increased efficiency and reduced errors through its use. This plan specifies who is responsible for realizing the benefits, the metrics that will be used to measure their achievement, and the time frames within which these benefits are expected to materialize. It also addresses any assumptions made about the benefits and potential risks that could prevent their realization. This provides a clear roadmap for ensuring that the initial investment truly yields the desired returns. A common confusion is to see the business case and benefits management plan as the same document. Remember, the business case justifies the project's existence and provides initial financial backing. The benefits management plan is the ongoing strategy to ensure those anticipated benefits are actually realized, often continuing beyond the project's formal closure. One explains the rationale, the other explains the realization. In summary, the business case is the compelling argument for undertaking a project, detailing its justification and expected value. The benefits management plan is the roadmap for ensuring that the project's outputs translate into tangible and intangible benefits for the organization over time. Both are essential for demonstrating that a project is not just completed, but that it successfully delivers its intended value.